What's going on, everybody? How you doing? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my channel. How to make a narcissist regret losing you. That is the title of today's episode. First things first. What is a narcissist? A narcissist is a self-centered, egotistic, selfish, arrogant individual who is very manipulative and who wants to dominate every conversation. They want to dominate everything. They want to dominate the environment around them. These are individuals who lack empathy. They put their needs first above everyone else. And above all, narcissists want attention at all costs. They want to be praised constantly. They want validation constantly. They want admiration constantly. They want to be acknowledged. That is what the narcissist is. Now, how do you make this narcissist regret losing you? Well, to make a narcissist regret losing you, cut off all contact with the narcissist. Go full no contact with the narcissist. Walk away and end communication with that narcissist. The meaning of that will be you are done with them. So when you go no contact with the narcissist, they'll do everything to try to reach you. They'll want your attention. So go no contact with the narcissist and you'll make them miss you. They'll regret losing you. To make the narcissist regret losing you, number two thing is to go missing. Be unattainable and choose massive success. Choose to succeed and you'll make the narcissist regret losing you. Take good care of yourself. Instead of focusing on the narcissist, focus on your well-being. Choose to move on. Don't allow the narcissist to see you sad and blue. Don't allow the narcissist to see you stressed out. When the narcissist sees that you're stressed and depressed and lonely, they'll believe they have power over you. If the narcissist calls you, if the narcissist texts you, if the narcissist contacts you in any way, ignore them. Don't give them an opportunity to get you. That way they'll regret losing you. Be busy and ignore that narcissist. Tell the narcissist you can't talk to them because you are very busy. You're too busy for them. Do that and the narcissist will regret losing you. To make the narcissist regret losing you, spend a lot of time with your support system, with your support network. What I mean by support network, I mean your good friends, your good family members. Be around people who respect you. Be around people who empower you. That is your support network. Now, when the narcissist sees this, they will regret losing you because they'll see that there are people who value you. Now, your support network will give you emotional support and they'll make you be able to move on with your life. And you'll stop caring what the narcissist thinks about you. The fourth thing to do to make the narcissist regret losing you, just know that narcissists, they lack empathy. These are individuals who cannot form long-lasting, healthy relationships. They are incapable of emotional bonds because they are very low on empathy. So, you should know that the narcissist cannot regret anything. You can't make the narcissist be in love with you. They don't feel it. Just tell yourself in your mind, in your heart, that the narcissist will not miss you. The narcissist will only miss what they were getting from you, but they don't miss you. When you remind yourself like that, then you'll have the power to move on. And that way you'll make the narcissist regret losing you. It's true, the narcissist cannot genuinely love you. So you deserve better. You deserve happiness. You deserve success. Now, number 5 thing to do to make the narcissist regret losing you. Don't revenge. The best revenge you can do on the narcissist is to succeed in your life, is to be happy, is to focus on your well-being. If you choose to fight with the narcissist, you cannot out-manipulate them. So be calm and focus on yourself. Focus on self-love. That way, you will make the narcissist regret losing you. Number 6 thing to make the narcissist regret losing you. Give yourself a little time to grieve the narcissistic relationship. Just know that, come to the truth of the matter, that you are with a narcissist. Then make sure you get as much knowledge about the narcissist, about narcissism as possible, because they say knowledge is power. With that, it will empower you to move on. And the narcissist will regret losing you when they see you moving on. Be grateful that the narcissistic relationship is over. When you're happy that that relationship with the narcissist is over, then the narcissist will regret losing you. You might not be happy instantly, but one day you'll be thankful for having left that relationship, because you'll be better off than when you are with a narcissist. So talk to a good support system. Share your emotions with people who genuinely care about you. And that way it will make you shine. You'll be brilliant, you'll be bright, and you will make the narcissist regret losing you. Stop worrying. There's only one thing that worry causes. Worrying causes trouble. So stop worrying and choose to make yourself happy. Don't focus on what the narcissist is thinking. Don't even want to know what the narcissist is doing. Just focus on your own life. Don't impress the narcissist. Don't please the narcissist. The narcissist has moved on with their life. They even don't think about you. They don't think about past relationships. Then why are you wasting your time thinking about the narcissist? So when the narcissist realizes that you are not bothered, not even thinking about them, you've moved, that if they realize you've moved on, then they will regret losing you. Now, to make the narcissist regret losing you, you can do therapy. No, visit a therapist. Go for counseling. It will build up. When you talk with a therapist, it will help you to quickly recover from the narcissist. It will help you to quickly get over that narcissistic relationship, because it's not easy to get over a narcissistic relationship. It will help you go through those difficult feelings. It will help you go through those moments of low self-esteem. So, when you take good care of yourself, the narcissist will notice that. And guess what? They will regret losing you. They'll come chasing after you. They'll come looking for you. Don't give them a chance. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. Hit the notification bell as well. That way, every time I upload a new video, you will get notified about it. And remember to tell a friend about this YouTube channel. Let's build each other up. Let's build a strong support system. All right. I love you all to the moon and back. God bless you. Catch you later in the next video.